Hey guys, so I am making a Kit Kat cheesecake today. Thought I'd take you along for the ride. I've got my butter on the stove melting. While that's melting, I've got my Marie biscuits. I'm going to pop them in the food processor, buzz them up. If you don't have a food processor, just give them a smash.
Guys, we're back now. What we're doing now is Sandra's just going to pour in the melted butter in with the crumb biscuit. We used about 200 grams of Marie biscuits, I believe. So what we do now is we just incorporate the butter and the biscuits until it's, what consistency are we looking for?
Like breadcrumbs, I suppose.
Yeah. So once that's done, we'll come back and we'll show you how to pop it in the pan. Now we've incorporated all the butter and the biscuits. Now what we do is we put that in our little baking dish, spread it out, and Sandra will grab a flat bottom cup or something like that just to, well, there you go. Just squash it, or just make sure it's a bit firm. And once that's all done, once you've spread it out, you've made it nice and even and flat, we shall pop that in the fridge for about half an hour.
Yeah, or by the time you mix your actual cheesecake mixture.
Yeah, okay, do that. And
cheese, we've got some Greek yogurt, and we're just going to start by blitzing that a bit.
I think that was 2 cups of cream cheese. No, of Greek yogurt.
Half a cup.
Half a cup. Wasn't even close. Alright, so
I'm just going to start on very low. Do you want to do the sugar for me?
What do I do with the sugar?
You're going to, in a minute...
What do I do with the sugar? Besides eat it?
You're going to put it in here.
Alright. I'm a hand model. Now?
No.
Can I do it now? Can I do it now? Can I do it now?
Okay, so we're just going to let this
Can I do it now?
blend for a bit longer, and
Can I
then
do
we're
it
going
now?
to put the sugar in.
Can I do it now?
Okay, go.
Can I do it now?
Go.
Slowly or at once?
It doesn't really matter. Make sure you get it in the bowl.
Get in the bowl, get in the bowl. It's on M&M's commercial. Get in the bowl. Get in the bowl. Sugar was that? Did we say or no?
I can't remember. Might be half a cup. I'm not sure. I like to get all my ingredients ready at the start so that it's easier to pop everything in.
Alright guys, now that it's all, now you've got all your mixture nice and smooth, what we start to do now is incorporate a couple of eggs.
Yep.
So we've got, I believe we have 2 eggs, and one of them has a bit of vanilla in it.
Yeah.
The chickens don't lay the vanilla in the egg. The vanilla's added extra, so we'll put that in.
So if you've got a helping hand, they're going to put 1 egg in, chuck it in.
All at once or slowly?
Go.
Oh, sorry. All right.
I'm just going to incorporate that in.
Alright, so once that's incorporated, we add in the other egg.
Yep, let's go.
Now or?
Now.
All at
Go.
once?
Yep.
Yeah! Get in the bowl, egg, get in the bowl.
So I forgot to mention, it is a baked cheesecake. The cream cheese is nice and smooth, nice and glossy. Now we're just going to layer the Kit Kats on the base, and then we'll be back to show you the rest. So I've decided to go a little rogue from my recipe. I've made it before. Normally you don't put any Kit Kat in there, but you know what? I think I'm going to just chop a couple up, and I'm going to run some through the mixture. Mix.
That's looking so yum. Oh, add a bit of, you know what? It's just add a bit more texture to the cream cheese. Add a bit more flavour to it. So
Think it needs a bit more, or that's enough?
I reckon a little bit more. You never can go wrong with chocolate. All right, guys,
We're going to cut another one up.
Yeah, and we're
Just
back.
folded some Kit Kat through. We're going to pop it on the base now, and then we're going to put it in the oven for about 35 minutes on 140 on fan forced and 160 on like a normal oven. So I'm just going to do that, and we'll pop it in the oven, and then we'll be back. Hey guys, so it came out of the oven last night. After I cooked it for 35 minutes, I left it in the oven for an hour. And now we're just going to finish it off with some 70% dark cocoa, or dark chocolate, I should say. I'm just going to shave it on top. So I am just portioning it up. You can see the little Kit Kats inside, the Kit Kat on the base, and I'm just serving it like that. So if you need to make a dessert, It's a nice easy one and it looks like you've made a lot of effort. All right, guys.
All right, guys. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Please stay safe, be merry and jolly. Love from the both of us. SS Naughty and Nice, guys.
Merry Christmas.